Yeah, guys, today we'll be telling you about Luxembourg. And yeah, if you've been watching my video, you know that each time I talk about Luxembourg is a country one should consider. Before I go to tell you what I have to tell you today about Luxembourg, I'll just give you a bit of tip why you should think Luxembourg. Yeah, if you look at Luxembourg, Luxembourg is a very great job market. It has a vibrant job market, and there are a lot of beautiful thing about Luxembourg. Is the richest country in the world, and they've got they've got a lot of things they can boast, including the quality of life in Luxembourg. And Luxembourg have free transportation. They are the only country in the world that will provide free public transportation to people who lives in Luxembourg. So that means a lot. Okay, there are a lot of jobs here and there. Very strong economy. A lot of jobs. A lot of things to do there, and you can just go through this and see. There are just about 645,000 people. Okay, yeah. So that means not quite too many people live there. It's a small country, and life there they have very high Medicare, good salary. I think they have one of the highest minimum wage, in the world. So that makes it a stable place, which means the poorest person in Luxembourg will still live a comfortable life. Okay, yeah, so that is it. They have high economic growth, and is a calm society where you can feel at home and it's very safe. And it is also multilingual nation, so not just one language. They speak different languages in Luxembourg. So those things all make Luxembourg a special place. Of course, high quality of education, free education, a lot of things. So, well, you can go through this carefully to see why this is a great place to stay. Okay, yeah. Now I will be taking you through the minimum wage in Luxembourg. The minimum wage in Luxembourg is quite high, like I've told you. It is 5,000. Sorry, the average salary, not the minimum wage, rather. The average salary in Luxembourg is 5,144 euros, which means if you're working as an engineer, as an accountant, as you should look at this at least. Okay, but if you're working as a maybe as a mechanic, you also may likely look at this. But if you're working maybe in menial jobs like a cleaner and stuff like that, maybe you'll be earning about 3,000 something. Okay, which is the average gross salary in France. So menial job can fetch you this. But if you're doing a good job, this is the average, which means you can go to 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, or whatever. And in Switzerland, it is this, which is a bit higher. But know that life is more expensive in Switzerland. Okay, so which still keeps Luxembourg at a very good position. According to Eurostat, Luxembourg burgers are one of the richest people in European Union. The median income, yeah, is this, and this per month, this is most almost twice any other European country salary. Okay, yeah. So that is what make Luxembourg a great place to live. So you can just go through and see some comparison they've made with other countries, which are all in Europe. So that is about salary in Luxembourg. Now I'm going to show you how to get a job for yourself in Luxembourg. You can also look up some of my video which I've already talked about Luxembourg, okay, in the past. But now you can look at this. Dear recruitment advisors, you can hit up our jobs and it will take you to the listed jobs which they have and you can go through them. Okay. Anyway, they're gonna show this limited one so you can hit up show more offers to see more offers. If you want to filter it, you can use chef, engineer, carpenter, whatever it is to filter it. Okay, so now you see junior fund accountant, real estate fund controller manager, blah blah blah. So you just go through any of them that suits you and hit it up. Then it brings the job details for you. You see real estate fund controlling manager, permanent position. This Luxembourg salary is market related. Start dates, they want you to start in December. This is the email. This is when it was published 11th. Okay, it was published on 11th. Yeah, so they want someone as soon as possible. So if you go here, you can see just the same things which I've just mentioned. That is just like the summary. Okay, so you look at control of external service provider, financial. These are the tags. Okay, so this is about the clients. So if you are just good with this, then you can hit up to apply and you can fill in the application. So what I like this website is that it's very friendly to apply. You just hit up your name, you hit up your email, you hit up your application, your CV, and you just push the apply now button. Okay. Yeah, so that is what makes it quite easier to apply for jobs in this website. Let me just check out if there is something like truck driver. I'm not too sure if they've got openings in trucking. Yeah, so if they got opening, let me just see if I could filter that. Okay, they don't have opening trucking. By the way, it's a small country. Um, so that is hard to do. So you can check out another job and senior fund administrator. Then you also see the same kind of descriptions, title, everything. Then you see the description of the job, the role, the candidate profile, what they want. Okay, so you can see this one with the university degree in law, economics, finance, or similar, 4 years of experience, a similar role, experience, blah, blah, blah. So those are all what you need, and you say about the client. I just sit up here to apply, and you just do your simple application and submit. So this is how these guys do it. And the next I want to tell you is Robert Half. Yeah, Robert Half Recruiting is actually a very interesting recruitment agency. Yeah, Robert Half Luxembourg office connects qualified candidate with employer in the Grand Duchy of Luxembourg looking for skilled talent on a flexible, permanent, or interim management basis, rely on the expertise in talent management solutions. So this is what they do. So if you're an employer, you come here. If you are seeking for a job, you just come here, find your next job, or you can also come here. Okay, any of them will take you to the job search area. So once you've done this, it brings you to the jobs title, skill, city, wherever. If you want, you can filter it. Otherwise, you just go for the job. And this 2025 salary guide, just to give you some guide about the salary. Okay, yeah. So, and these are the trending job titles which you can see. So you can explore all financial and accounting jobs here by clicking that very button. But the good thing about this guy is that they feature the CV template for Luxembourg, so you can come here to see the CV template for Luxembourg. You can also come here to see the salary guide. Then you can also come, to see, to find a job or to check out career development posts which people have written and stuff like that. So there are many things to read here. It's just also like a blog. So let me just explore all financial accounting jobs, and then from there you can, make your applications. Yeah, it has 582 results for only finance and accounting. So could choose any of the skills. Yes, a controller, for example. Just set up controller and it opens here. So you can apply, but just check it out. It's a permanent position. This is the description, every information that you will be needing. And once you're fine, then you can hit up apply now and start up your application. So this is how you do this also to apply through Robert Half recruitment agencies. So their system is quite friendly and not also difficult to apply. I don't know why. I think my network is delaying, so let's just hold on for it to open. Yeah, just hold on a little. Um, but just like I said, be rest assured that Luxembourg is a place one should be considering. I mean, if you've got the opportunity to go to Luxembourg, you'll really be fine. Yeah, you'll really be fine. Okay, let me just refresh. I don't know why it's still not open. Mhm. Otherwise, I'll go back and click on another job. Yeah, just a moment. Okay, I think it's opening. Maybe my internet is a bit low or something. I don't know. The strength, limited access. Actually, my wife is very far from where I am. I'm in the office, and my wife is in one of the rooms. So I think that may be the problem. So let me just go back and click some other jobs. Yeah, just let me click some other jobs. Yeah. Oh, I should just click on this apply. By the way. So anyway, once you click on apply, it will take you to the details and how you can hit up your application. And you just do application like the previous one I showed you, and that is all you need to do for you to get the Luxembourg journey rolling. Then once you've been given an offer, then you get some other documents which are required, like character certificate, medical reports, your passport, and a few more things, and forge ahead for visa processing. So that is it about how to move to Luxembourg. But the beautiful thing about it is remembering what Luxembourg stands for: quality healthcare, quality life, security, high minimum wages, and all those data, including free public transportation, right? Yeah, and of course, it's a center to Europe. It's one of the Schengen countries, and it's a gateway to European countries. So, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I hope that this video helps you. Okay? Yeah. So you can see it's open. So you just upload your CV, or you apply through LinkedIn. So if you apply your CV, you just submit it, and that is all. So, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget to like and comment where you're watching from. Cheers.